Dear students, we have already learned that we can convert the solar energy into usable form, that is electricity, using the solar cells or the photovoltaic cells. So in this video, we will learn the design and disadvantages and advantages of solar cells. The design comprises of panels, modules and arrays. Let us learn them in detail. So before starting, I'll remind you to like, share and subscribe my channel. Please do it if you have not done so far. The design of PV cells is very important. We already know that irrespective of the size of the PV cell, each cell produces zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.6 volts current. And if we want a high voltage, we should connect these cells in series. These PV cells can be supported on structures which are classified as modules, panels and arrays according to the PV cells mounted on these structures. A module can be described as the structure that supports many PV cells on it. One module should at least produce 12 volts current. For this, many cells are mounted in series and connected. Here it is shown in the figure how the PV cells are mounted. One single PV cell is this. Now when we mount it as module, many PV cells are connected in series to get around 12 volts current. What are panels? When more than one module are assembled together on a single structure and as a pre-wired field installation unit, then the whole structure is called panel. Here it is shown many modules on one single structure are mounted. So it forms a panel. A photovoltaic array is a complete power generating unit. It consists of many modules and panels together as a whole structure, and then it is called as an array. So these are the various designs of mounting of photocells on the structures to produce large volume of electricity. The advantages of solar cells are many and it has a great future. The most important is that PV cells energy is sustainable. It's a sustainable energy system. It is unlimited, inexhaustible and renewable. Solar cells can harness it as continuous energy from the sunlight. These cells emit no toxins, neither do they produce any noise. There are no byproducts of generation of electricity also. Therefore, it can be called as eco-friendly because there are no byproducts. Therefore, its use can reduce the greenhouse effect, leading to reduction in the global warming. These are highly modular structures and can be used in rural as well as remote areas. No special structures for the mounting is required. They can be mounted on roof of any house. It not only provides power but also shade to the house and protect it from overheating during the summer season. The solar energy can provide power to the spacecraft, satellites and space vehicles also. but there are certain disadvantages also. The initial cost of installation is very high. During the rains and monsoon, it does not work effectively. As you can see here in the figure, the sun is behind the clouds. So we don't get ample sunlight to produce electricity. The silicon which is used in the production of PV cells is very, very expensive. The energy conversion efficiency has a theoretical limit. So these are some disadvantages, and one more is that after its productive years are over, its disposal is a problem. Namaste. We'll continue with the solar energy in my next video also. Keep watching. Thank you.